At Triangle Package Machinery, we build vertical form fill seal equipment, bag and box systems, and combination weighers. And we build all that right here in Chicago. We were looking to offer a vertical form fill seal machine with full ultrasonic sealing. To add continuous vertical seam seal, we wanted to have the best technology to operate continuously. At the time, we were able to get a sample unit from Horizon, and we tested it and found that it was very easy to set up. The people at Horizon were also very easy to work with. Now, for a washdown in our customer's environment, the time that it takes to do the washdown is critical. And one of the things that can be a challenge with heat sealing, you want to wait for the equipment to cool down, and depending on your washdown process, you're gonna bag or remove your heat seal tools. Now, the Horizon sealer that we have is fully sealed and able to be sprayed directly with water right after you turn it off. This saves a critical amount of time. Even if you're running the same bag speed, using ultrasonics, you can end up with a higher OEE because you're not waiting for extra time that heat takes during that changeover process. We have an active R&D project that we're working with Horizon in order to be able to continuously seal a zipper and make a vertical seal at the same time. The reason we started this project was because we had a zipper that was selected by one of our customers that's usually done on a horizontal machine, and they wanted to do that zipper on a vertical form fill seal machine. The key thing about this zipper in terms of the challenges is that the flanges of the zipper are very small. So that saves money on material, and it also gives the customer the appearance that they wanted. But it's not really customary for a vertical form fill seal machine to seal such small flanges of a zipper continuously. So when we brought this project to Horizon, they did sort of everything that you would want them to do in order to start a new R&D project. The first thing they did was found existing anvils and tools in their lab to see, can we seal the zipper to the film? And then what are the ranges of power that we need in order to do that? In our particular case, because we have a space constraint, we wanted to make the zipper seal and the vertical seal at the same time. So if you're looking at the bag, the zipper seal is right here and the vertical seal is right here. That's all made instantly in the same location on the machine. For Horizon to do that, they had to take two anvils that would be set with separate pressures in order to get the correct pressure dialed in on the zipper and also the correct pressure dialed in on the vertical seal. This is a challenge that we brought to them that we really wanted to pursue, and Horizon took it and worked with us to get things figured out. What Horizon did was develop a smaller unit that had less power because they didn't need so much power to seal the plastic film. So having a generator with no screen that's compact and rugged was really good benefit for us. The interaction between our engineers and the engineers at Horizon was really positive, and it involved design reviews and a really open attitude towards developing the right product for us. For somebody who has a sealing problem where they might not be happy with the appearance of their seal, or they might need to seal through products or do some of the other things that ultrasonic sealing is known for, I think that Dukane and Horizon would be really good partners because they have the full gamut of technology, from the rotary system, which is extremely good for making a continuous seal, and I think probably one of the most advanced technologies in the world for that type of seal.